Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to uninstall Java JDK from the operating system. Now see friends, first I will show you that Java is installed on my machine and I want to uninstall it. So first I will open the command prompt. For that purpose, within search box, just I will type the command cmd. Okay. Now here you will get this command prompt. So just double click on it. Okay, within command prompt I will type the command java space hyphen version, so that it will show me which version is available on my machine. It is showing java version 22. Also java c compiler is also available, so I will space java c space hyphen version, so it will show me the compiler available on my machine. Means right now on my machine Java 22 version, JDK 22 version is available and I want to uninstall it. So for that purpose, again within the search box, I will search the control panel. Okay, it is showing this control panel icon. So just double click on it. Now here it is showing the different computer settings. So here just I want to make changes within the program. So I will click on this program and features. Now here it is showing the list of the programs available on your machine. Here I want to uninstall Java. So I will search Java within the search box. So it is showing Java SC Development Kit 22 for 64-bit. And I want to uninstall this. So just I will select this option and just I will click on this uninstall button. Now see it is showing message, are you sure you want to uninstall this Java development kit? So just click on yes button so that it will get uninstalled. So here you can see this Java folder is deleted. So again in search box type cmd to open the command prompt. Okay. Now again I will type the command to check whether it's uninstalled or not. So I will check Java space hyphen version and just I will hit the enter key. Now see it is showing Java is not recognized as an internal or external command. Means Java is not available on my machine. Same thing you can do for this Java C compiler also. If you want to check, you can check like this. See, Java C is also is not recognized as an internal or external command. Means Java JDK is not available on your machine. So in this way, we have uninstalled Java JDK from our operating system. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.